Hey everyone, welcome back to my video in YouTube. And yeah, it's midnight, but we're going to learn new here, which is Scats, Zeplin, and Android Studio. So we're combining their three apps, Scats, Zeplin, and Android Studio, and I'm gonna show you how it works, the workflow as a designer and developer for mobile Android. Okay. Well, first of all, you have to prepare uh, two icon or illustration that I download it from flaticon.com, and I'm going to design the simple layout with the sketch app. Okay, so I give the name apps and make new artboard for the mobile, and going to name splash screen. And don't forget to save your document because it's really important. Okay, so mobile UI. Okay, cool. And after that, I will copy those icons to my project and make it small. Okay, and then I will make like this. Okay, nice. And I'm grouping those icons to one group and make to the center. I will make it maybe icon app. Okay, and after that I will create the title here with the text Dubai. Sorry, maybe you want to travel to Dubai. Cool. And change the color for a 5A, 5A, and 5A. And I want to give the margin top is 20. No, 40. Nice. And then I want to duplicate this text and make it small. Make it small, maybe 16. And you can type on everyone. So I create the content like this, and I'm going to change the line height and change the color. Okay, and of course we need the button here, but first of all I will grouping this for the captions and create the button with the rectangle by press shortcut R, and with this operator arithmetic minus 32. Okay, and then we have the margin left is 16 and right is 16. And then I want to change this height to 45, but I think we have to decrease the width again, maybe 200. Yeah, okay, and then setting the radius to 100 and remove the border color and change the color of the button to be purple. This is for the button BTN, and change and get the label here for get a ticket. This is good UX copywriting because if you only write maybe set up or get start, it's not really good, but if get a ticket, people will get a ticket. So that's why I wrote get a ticket. Okay, right. And then I need the background here by using rectangle. Just shortcut R background, and this is background F. Okay, remove the border, and you can use the color. I think the good color is purple, but we have to change this color to be white color, and this button should be no, I think I'm gonna change this background color. So I'm using gradient. The first color is 5E87ED, and the second color is 5ED second ED. Okay, this is nice. So we have splash screen here, and we can try to use Zeplin to inspect our design easily for the developer and also Android designer or UI UX designer. But first I want to change it to travel to Dubai or only Dubai. Okay, like this, and change to the medium Dubai, and change it to 20. Okay, and setting the line height again. Okay, nice. We're going to save this document, and then open your Zeplin, create your first project, and create, and get the name here, mobile UI Dubai. Okay, so everything is clear. So you have to upload your design directly from the scats plugin, Zeplin, and export selected artboards, and select mobile UI Dubai. Okay, it's done, clear. So this is your dashboard, and this is your project. Okay, you can transfer to ownership. Maybe you have friends that working with you, designer or developer, and then you want to transfer the ownership to your friend, so you have not longer contribute into the project, or you can archive and delete. So double click, and this is screen, but I still only have one screen. It's okay, so it remains you one screen, but you can also search like this. Okay, and double click, and this is a wall of screen, the design. So everything is clear, you can inspect all of them. This is just the Roboto with the medium, and this is how we can convert this text into the source code, which XML, and this is the content. Nice. And if you select the background, you will see the first color is 5E, and the second color is this. And there's the option which for the screen size. Even you got this color, and you got these properties. And then I forget here, we will not be able to export these assets, so this problem. We're going back to sketch, and select this building and make exportable, and select this Ferris wheel and make exportable, and then we're going to save and select this artboard again, and repeat the last step, that we need to re-import the design. Okay, done. Once you upload your new version of design, you will get notified here that this is for the version. This is the long version, the old version. You'll not be able to export those assets, and here you're able to download those assets. Okay, still don't get it? I'm trying to figure out another way. So in Dubai, I want to change the color to black like this. Oh no, maybe to yellow like this. No, it's not really good design. Okay, so in this button I will change the color to yellow like this. Okay, and change this label color like this, and then we save our document and select the splash screen and Zeplin and export again and import. We're going to updating splash screen design. Looks beautiful, thank you. Okay, so you click this icon and there's the option, but actually you can get the old version completely, but you have to upgrade your version of the plan. So this is the old design, the last one. We still have the background with the 515060, but in the new version the background has changed and the label has changed the color and the background changed the color. Okay, so this is really good in design version. It helps us to remember the old version for developer and designer. Okay, so I want try to create new Android Studio project for mobile Dubai UI, and next with the empty activity next, and this is for the splash activity. Cool, finish and still rendering. Okay, in this case we're not using Java because we're designer, only use XML, but if you want to learn Java it's okay. I'm going to close this Java and preview, so we have the screen like this. Okay, first of all we're going back to Zeplin, and what we need to export, first we change, okay, this icon. Okay, everything we can make it by XML, it's easy lah, but those icon we can use it for our main assets in the Android Studio. So click this icon, building, and download and browse, and then going to Android Studio project and looking for Dubai, this one, and going to app, source and main and res and export. It's done so fast. Now we're going back to Android Studio and checking your res, and you will see there's a lot of version for those icon: XDPA, MDPA, XHDPA, XXX. Yeah, a lot. So the question is why the picture is low resolution, because I only have low resolution. So for you have to prepare high resolution, which is 520 by multiplication 512. Okay, that's enough. And then we're going to back to Zeplin to export this icon, and yeah, Dubai UI and export and check again. You seems so easy. Yeah, indeed. Cool. And after that I want to remove this action bar, going to style and change no action bar here. Okay, and then we need to get the background gradient for our splash screen, and we're going to background apps, select the first color. But yeah, why do I use scats? I forget because I'm still designer, but if you are developer, you can select this screen and get the first color, and going back to Android Studio to change the status bar color like this, and it changed. And then going to drawable to create new drawable resources file, and this is background screen, and change the selector to the shape. Okay, and then here we change the gradient start color, and end color is this. Okay, and setting the angel 90. Wait, or no, so it should be 360. No, okay, the angel is 270. Now we're going to Android here to setting the background drawable background screen. Oops, nice. Here you go. So this is pretty easy. I don't have scats. I close my sketch app now, and I still only have Zeplin because I'm developer, isn't it? So in the hello world, I change it to Dubai and change the color, text color. Okay, and going back to Zeplin to fill this one, you can copy exactly here and just paste here. Oh, you got this Dubai, nice. And change to margin top is 85 from those icon, but we have to create the icon first with the images view for those icon. Okay, now we're going to design here and looking for images and images view, just drag and drop, and looking for building like this, but I got some error here. What's going on? Oh, it should be source EMG. Sorry, I will use for background building, but got some error here. Let's check it first. Well, the problem is the resource's name must be begin with a character, and here I use number, but number I think is character. Okay. So first we have to change this layer name. We're going back to sketch app. Okay, we're asking to designer, hey designer, can you change the layer name so I can use it? Building, and this one is well. Okay, we're going to save again and send to Zeplin. Import, it's done, clear, and try to export again those assets to Dubai UI, and this one to Dubai UI. Okay, and check to Android Studio so we can try to change it. Okay, so you have the Dubai here. I'm going to remove this images view and going back to design and drag and drop again. We check the building, nice, and images view again to check the well. Nice. and we have to move this images view above of, okay, yeah, pretty cool. And we have to setting this, but here we need to setting, okay, no, we remove this and setting this, okay, yes. And select this building and setting the margin top is 100, maybe 80, but we can also check in the Zeplin. Oh, 70. Okay, and go back to Zeplin to see Dubai is 85. So click Dubai and setting to 85. But it's too far, I think, but we can decrease it to 65 or 55. Okay, and we need to create the text view again. We're going back to Zeplin to copy this source code, copy and paste here. Now we got the text like this. Pretty easy, isn't it? So this is how Zeplin can help us much better. We're going back to design and change to 15. Okay, nice. And then the last one is button. We need to create the button for our design. So the width is 200 with the 55 as 45 dp, and this is 45 dp, and I think it's 65. Oh no, 55. Yeah, and we have to put the button the below of the screen 60 dp from bottom. So here we're going back to design and setting this button to 60. Okay, and then in the button we have to setting text, which is get a ticket, and setting the color, the text color we can get it from Zeplin. Just copy this and here we go. But we have to set in the background of this button drawable bg button. Now we're going to drawable to create new drawable resource file bg-btn and just copy this source code, but you have to change the color of this button. So the color is not gradient but solid color. So here should be changed solid and color like this. And you have to set in the corner. Okay, but unfortunately their radius is only like this, 22 radius. Okay, so we can check, and here we go, and I want to decrease. Okay, nice. And this is should be font style, sorry, text style, bold. Ta-da! This is your design with the Scat, Zeplin and Android Studio. So easy, isn't it? Well, thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and share to your friends. And I hope you enjoy this video, and let me know if you have any question that I can help you quickly. Don't forget to follow me in my Instagram and check the description in the video. Goodbye. Nice to meet you from Indonesia. See you.